News nobody is talking about. Nuclear energy is set for its biggest comeback in decades. Last April, when the G7 met, 5 countries agreed to a new nuclear fuel agreement set to ramp up research and investment into nuclear energy. And it's easy to see why when operated correctly and not built on a fault line. Nuclear energy is the most reliable energy source. The catch is that nuclear energy has a massive upfront cost required to build those huge water-cooled power plants. Because of this, most of these investments are going to a new type of facility called a small modular reactor, or SMR for short. The reason for this is not only are SMR facilities smaller and more efficient, but almost 80% of coal power plants can be retrofitted with SMRs. Now this is a massive deal because coal is being phased out in most Western countries, leaving thousands of coal plants abandoned. Most of which have the perfect infrastructure already in place to accommodate nuclear power without the need for massive amounts of investment building reactors from scratch. The reason I'm telling you this is because as of today, there's only one company that has received approval for the SMR design. And that is NuScale Power Corporation, who just got approved earlier this year. It seems that this has already got them some attention, with NuScale signing agreements to build 6 SMRs in Romania, another in Idaho, and even one to be constructed next to a massive steel mill. This demonstrates the flexibility that SMRs have over traditional nuclear power plants and opens the door for a brand new market. With the enthusiasm around nuclear energy right now, along with their first mover advantage, NuScale Power looks to be in a really promising position, and I'm definitely going to be watching them as they finally put the design to the test in the near future. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please take a second to like and subscribe to this channel.